Hello and welcome. The Linux terminal is boring? No, it's not. Let's have some fun. Today I want to talk a little bit about the command ls. ls is one of the most important commands in bash. With ls you can show the content of your directories, just like in a file manager. I just opened a terminal and you can see in the first line, "Hey Joe." If you want to know how to do that, please check out my video about the bash RC configuration. But now let's have a look what we can do with ls. Well, I type in ls here in the command line and you see all the folders in your home folder. This is desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, templates and videos as you know it. If you want to navigate to a directory outside of your home folder, you need a slash. Let's do that. For example, let's see. You don't need the slash inside your home folder. So if I want to go to documents, as you see, I don't need the slash. The content is shown in alphabetical order. If you want to change that, you type ls with the option R. Now you see videos at the first place and desktop at the last place. With the ls command you don't see any hidden files. If you want to see the hidden files, you have to type ls and A. Now you see the hidden files here. They are marked with a dot. .bash history, .bash rc. As I mentioned, I have a video on my channel about the bash rc. You also can combine two options. For example, now I combine ls r and A. So you can see we see the hidden files here and we change the alphabetical order. Now we have videos at the first place and the bash history at the last place. The ls command only shows the name of the directories. If you want to have more information about the directories, you need another option. So let's type ls L. So now you have much more information about what's in the directory. Here is the name, last in the line, and now the owner of the directory, the size of the directory, and the permissions here. Well, I don't want to talk about permissions today. I will make another video in the near future about the permissions and what that means here. You also can see a date here. That means when the directory was changed the last time. I also can combine the options A and L. Let's see what happens. LA. Now you see all the hidden files and you have more information on the hidden files too. You also can use a wildcard with the ls command. What is a wildcard? Well, it's this sign here. Now, what can you do with the wildcard? For example, type in the ls, do, and then the wildcard. What do you think will happen now? It will show all directories that begin with D and O. Let's have a look. So you see, here is documents, here is the content of documents, and here is the directory downloads. And here is the content of downloads. Well, as you see, I opened a file I use with an OpenBox installation. Well, that's fun too. I promise you, OpenBox is very nice. If we type ls, we see the content in a horizontal view. If you don't like this view, if you want to see it vertical, no problem. Just type ls and 1. Now you see the same but vertical. If you want to see the root directory, type ls and slash for root. Now this is the content of the root directory, and here you also can see there is home. If you want to write the content what you see in the command line into a text file, that's easy. For example, I take this command and now let's call it file system text. So that's all. Now you have all you see in ls in a text file. Let's check that out if that works. I open that with nano text. Here we go. That's nano, that's the text editor in the terminal, and here you see all the content of the file system. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. The next time I will talk a little bit about a CD. So subscribe to my channel if you like. Bye bye.